Praises of Songs. Heartfelt token to Our Lady of the Immaculate Conception Parish, Aurora Heights Subdivision, San Pedro Luna, given on July 8, 2013, the year of our Lord. Kaya ang behalf of our community, ay maraming salamat. Tuloy-tuloy ko rin po bago po tayo magdasal po natin ang ating certificate. Diocese of San Pablo, behalf of San Pedro Cristol, Our Lady of the Immaculate Conception Parish, Maria Aurora Heights Subdivision, City of San Pedro Luna, Our Lady of the Immaculate Conception Parish awards this certificate of recognition to Miss Immaculata Cordero as an expression of our profound gratitude to her for donating the sanctuary of our Lord, the tabernacle that will serve as the sacred abode of the ever-living presence of our Lord in our parish. Her deep piety and unrelenting support and generosity to our parish is highly appreciated and will long be remembered. May the grace of our Lord be upon her and her family, now and always, given this 21st day of July 2013 in the year of our Lord Jesus Christ.